Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming parts and polarity so nothing is damaged. First, measure your battery voltage with a multimeter. Once done, compare that to the LED forward voltage printed or typical values. Make sure to calculate the resistor, subtract LED VF from battery voltage, then divide by desired current, 20 M is common. You will use the resistor in series to prevent burning the LED. Next, twist or clip short test leads to verify the LED lights briefly before soldering or final assembly. Now you build the circuit carefully and steadily. First, solder or firmly twist the resistor to the LED anode so current flows through the resistor first. This limits current and protects the diode. Then, connect the resistor end to the battery positive terminal and the LED cathode to battery negative. Make sure connections are secure and insulated. Once done, clip excess wire and use heat shrink tubing where possible. Test the light briefly. If it's dim, recheck resistor value and contact resistance. Finish by securing the LED and protecting the battery and connections so the circuit lasts. You should fasten the LED into place and add strain relief to wires. Once done, double-check polarity and ensure no short circuits. If the LED fails to light, measure battery voltage and continuity. Make sure the resistor value matches your calculation and that the LED isn't reversed. As a troubleshooting tip, if the resistor overheats, reduce current by increasing resistance or use a higher power resistor to avoid component damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.